This is my 2001 Phantom Fury Limited Edition. I bought this several years ago from Tom Gasco on eBay, who manages the Vacuum Cleaner Museum in St. James, Missouri. Since I bought it, I got the owner's manual for it online, as well as an extra belt. The only issue this had, because pretty much it was perfect cosmetically, the only issue is that this clean out drawer fluff trap was broken. About half of this section was missing. I would say like it stopped like right here and the rest of it was gone. I was lucky enough to find a Phantom Fury limited edition just like this one in the basement of a vacuum shop last summer, so I just pulled the fluff trap right off of it. Besides that, it works fine. I think I did replace the belt at one point. I blew out the motor. That's the original FAR HEPA filter that I did replace, so as you can see, that is still in fairly good shape. So I'll give it a quick run. The Phantom Fury is probably the least favorite of all my Phantoms because they're not really that powerful. Suction isn't that great. Suction isn't that great in most of the Fantom models actually, but still, I mean, I like to have it. And this particular model of Fury, I think style-wise was a little more stylish than the other models of Fury that were more squarish in style. So, it's a little dusty because I have not used it in a while, but should not have any issues. So that is my 2001 Phantom Fury Limited Edition. And it does have all of the attachments, as well as the optional pet hair tool.